Welcome to school too.
Don't let my game now. You go use 500 naira to win full chicken for Christmas. We get other things like fridge, like refrigerator, TV, all those ones. But today, now chicken we dey start with. Win your chicken with 500 naira. You know how much they sell chicken for market now? Everything don't cost. But with 500,
how much? They say the winner.
Now 500.
Why you call them make noise? I better put it in the man winner before people.
Okay. Oh yeah. Siam, pick one.
You know you can be prosecuted
Pick
for
one.
that.
Time this. Open up. Open it.
My guy, you get eye. You the see road. Correct. What you have to say? Now try your luck. So no be only chicken we get plenty things. What you win now? Shingum.
What?
So you got another opportunity to play. Now just 500 now it go cost you. My guy. Take what you win now. Brother, now go tell the drama. They help people. Now help people for the country. My dear, now try your luck. We dey use 500, they win chicken. Keep follow now. Now be the grab. We got other prices, so like TV others on day, but.
No, see that TV I don't need. If like that chicken, me I won't go for that.
If
I play, I go win.
you go win now. Only be say now 500 do.
I'm not saying they do like this.
Correct.
I go win.
Why you no go win? You don't know who can play game. What? Choose one.
Wait now, no rush. Go show.
Which one? Correct. No.
Okay, now you go open now.
Correct. Baby, the sea road. I don't hear your story.
Why no go see road?
I don't hear your story, my dear. You play 500 to win chicken, but wait till you win. Now cigarette.
What?
Now cigarette. Now you win. Now try your luck with the play, my dear. You don't know how this. Now you don't say now so this like TV. We get other prizes, but you go manage them. So we try to play game. You fit still win the chicken and another 500 you go cost you. I don't know na area. The one I tell they help people now. Use 500 naira and win chicken. Let's go and win the chicken. Yes, let's go and win the chicken. Where's the place? Yes, how are you? We thank God. Yes, I want to play the trial law because I heard that you can win chicken. Very big chicken. Hey, this chicken, a big chicken. Hey! You get weight. Now imported from Turkey. The chicken get weight. Hey! You know where Turkey dey? Now we get the chicken. I don't ready. You don't ready? I don't ready. Hey! This time around, Oluku will not fail me. Oluku never fails. Oluku never fails. Oluku, you will not fail me this time. Oluku. Yes. Hey! Oluku, make a...
Daddy, I'm sure to be chicken.
Hug your pikin. Yes, you play 500. Yes. To win chicken. No, I don't be lie. But wait till you win. Na chicken.
What?
You say no be only December. No be only chicken. They do enjoyment. Hey! Now try your luck. What be this one? Okay, no give up with 500 again.
School too.
We wish you
A Merry Christmas.
We wish you.
A Merry Christmas.
We wish you.
A Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Good tidings
Oh.
to you.
Why
Good tidings of Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you. Good tidings of Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish
You don't do now. How many times you want to wish them?
Don't wish that time.
How many Christmas that you wish them? You wish you how many Christmas?
Let them know.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all the members, all the crew in School 2 Comedy, we're saying God bless you for your love, your trust and support. When we start now, like play.
Yes, sir.
But thank God today, we don't see him. 6,000 subscribers, not easy. God bless you guys. We promise you the next year is going to be awesome. All the ones who don't watch this year, now be intro. Next year when they come, when I go enjoy comedy skit from School 2 Comedy, we are climbing the highest ladder to the highest level.